From this to this, right after this.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Hey superstars, it's your girl Malika, aka Miss Magic. Today we are going to do a quick tutorial on a Genie extended ponytail. But first, if you are new here, welcome to my channel. Please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you like this video, give me a good like. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can be alerted when I do post new videos. If you are returning, welcome back superstars. Alright, let's get started. First things first, we are going to blow dry our client's hair. She does have natural hair, so we're going to blow dry it and then we're going to straighten it out with a flat iron all over. As you see, this video is sped up. I will be explaining through it. If you need more, then just slow it down. Once I finish blow drying, I'm going to apply a pomade oil all around her hair, and then I am just going to take her hair and just roughly flat iron it all throughout. Once I flat iron her whole head, then I'm just taking a pressing comb, and now I'm going to straighten all of her edges. If you are not comfortable with a pressing comb, just go ahead and use your flat iron to do the edges.
I used to take myself out on dates, open my own damn doors, pay for everything on my plate. Sometimes I'd even get the steak.
Now I'm going to layer beeswax all throughout her hair in the shape of the way I want the ponytail. So you're going to apply a little, not that much, beeswax in every part. And then you're going to just go ahead and take a small tooth comb and smooth the beeswax up into the style of the ponytail. Once you get to the outline of the edges, I take a little spritz and I spritz it, and then I use the blow dryer to secure the way I want the ponytail in place. It's very important if you're doing this with natural hair to use beeswax and not any kind of gel or anything wet, because it will make the hair revert.
I gave you all that you asked of me.
Okay, once you have your ponytail all molded up in the way you want to, now you can go ahead and start to secure your ponytail with your rubber bands. You can use 1, 2, 3, depending on how thick the hair is. I just use the black little rubber bands. So I think on her hair I used 2. Once I secure the ponytail, I just go around it, put a little spritz in there, and now I'm going to spray some Got2b glue after I secure it with the blow dryer, and that will just make sure that the ponytail stays nice and tight. Just the regular Got2b glue spray. Also, I'm doing her edges a little bit, and then I'm going to secure her hair with some neck strips while I work on the ponytail itself. Okay, so now I'm going to braid down her natural hair. If your client does not have long enough hair, go ahead and add some braid hair to it. And also, if you want the ponytail to be a little bit longer, add a little bit more braid hair into it. I'm going to use 2 bundles of hair, but right now I'm going to secure her ponytail with black neck strips so that I can protect her actual hair. I did use a little glue at the bottom, but that's easily combed out. It'll probably come out after she takes her ponytail down anyway. So once you've secured it with the neck strips, now you're going to go ahead and take your bundle. Her hair, I use 2 bundles for this ponytail, depending on the thickness and the length. You can use as many bundles as you like, or you can just use 1 bundle. But what I'm doing now is just taking the glue on the weft of the weave, and I'm just circling it around until I get to the top. Once you run out of hair, go ahead and start with your next bundle.
Talk to me. You're the Z. Tryna show you love, it's that TLC. You're my favorite song, you're my therapy. Music for my soul, classic R&B. Talk to me. You're the Z. Tryna show you love, it's that TLC. You're my favorite song, you're my therapy. Music for my soul, classic R&B.
Once you get to the top, I think I've started on my second bundle now. If I haven't, I'm about to start on my second bundle. But once you get to the top, you will notice with the Genie Ponytail, the hair will weigh the ponytail down. So once you get up to the top, you will need to use hairpins, open hairpins, to secure the ponytail and bring it back up to the top to give it the Genie effect. Make sure when you stick the hairpins in, you're sticking it into the hair of the ponytail and not your client's scalp. That's very important, or your client will be very irritated, or you'll be very irritated. Make sure the hairpins are not going into the scalp. But you will need to maneuver it, and you will need to position it in however you want to, because the ponytail will weigh down. Also, when you get to the very top, use a clip or something to secure the ponytail up top, so that when you wrap the hair around the ponytail to make your band, which you're going to use your end of your ponytail to make your band, the ponytail will sit straight up while you're doing that and not laying down, or it will be very hard to keep the ponytail straight up.
I'm a blossom. I don't need a Batman to my Robin. I'm official on a dotty. You can hit a vroom vroom in my Rari. I'm not sorry. No, I'm not sorry. It's official. I'm a problem. I don't mean it this far. I'm not sorry. I'm not sorry.
Right now, what you see I'm doing is combing out the part that I'm going to make the band. I put a little beeswax in it, and also some spritz, and even a little Got2b, so it'll hold and it'll be shiny going around here. And as you see, I clip the ponytail to the front, and I'm just wrapping the band around, securing it so that the Genie Ponytail will stay up top. Alright guys, in a minute you're going to see the finished product. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. And also don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And don't hit that notification bell so that you can be alerted when I do post another video. And go ahead and watch some of my other videos while you're at it. Alright, superstars, once again, thanks for watching. And once again, I hope to see you in the next video. Love you guys. Bye.